Have you been watching Our Oceans on Netflix? Because it's so freaking good. I have 2 episodes left, the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean episode, which is so freaking exciting because I know there's gonna be narwhals. Narwhals have one of the coolest Latin names of all time. Monodon monogrius, which means one tooth, one horn. Because that tall tail horn is just a big tooth that grows out of the upper lip of the males. Now they're probably gonna tell you that, I just couldn't help myself. But let's go see if there's any other bonus Our Oceans facts that I can give you. Play! I just finished the Arctic episode and I have no notes. It's perfection. The sequence of the narwhals hunting the Arctic tar, the belugas, the birds. If you only watch one episode, watch the Arctic episode. Anyways, the only bonus fact I can think to give you is that they introduce you to this incredible fish, which they call a wolf fish. However, they've been more commonly called wolf eels. But I'm assuming the reason for the name change is because they're not true eels. And the thing to know here is that though all eels are fish, not all longfish are eels. This does break down taxonomically. All true eels are in the order Anguilliformes. However, you can also see it morphologically. True eels completely lack or have extremely reduced pectoral fins, and externally they have this slit, or sometimes it even looks like a hole that is their gill structure. Whereas if we go back to our wolf eel here, they have very large pectoral fins and then an operculum-like structure for their gills. And we've done this for a lot of sea creatures. Jellyfish aren't fish, starfish aren't fish, but seahorses are fish. So I guess that's why we're going with wolf fish now, but that's gonna take me a minute to get used to. All right, last episode, let's go. They gave me an easy one this time by showing off this incredible fish. That was a leafy sea dragon, and yes, they are closely related to seahorses. And one of their coolest features is that they are incredible at blending into their kelpy environment. But I personally think their funniest feature is their big long mouth. This mouth doesn't move, it just has an opening and close function at the very tip. And basically how they hunt is when their prey gets close enough to that tip, they open it, create negative pressure, and suck it on down. Also in general, I am so impressed with the docuseries. I will be talking about it more in the coming days because I have so much to say.